In this video, I will demonstrate how to create fillets using fillet entities and fillet chain commands. The fillet entities command can create tangent arcs between two entities with a specified radius. The entities can be automatically trimmed. The fillet chain command can create fillets at the sharp corners along a selected chain. The Fillet Mastercam file is already open. To open Fillet Entities command, you have to select the Wireframe tab and from the Modify group, Fillet Entities icon. For the upper left corner, the radius is 1/4 inch, method set to normal, and I want the entities to be trimmed to the arc. There are several methods to select the entities where you want to insert the fillet. You can select an entity, as the prompt mentioned, then another entity. Then, in order to finish the fillet, you can press and enter. I'm going to use the undo command to show you a different method of selection. And again, select the fillet entities command. In this case, I just move the cursor closer to the corner and you would see a preview of the fillet. You just need to click once you like the preview. And then again, you need to press and enter to finish the command. There is a third option. So again, I'm going to use the undo button and reselect the command. And in this case, I will just demonstrate the option already shown in the trimming video. You have to hold down the left mouse button and just drag the cursor until you select the second line. As you could see, the fillet it's already generated. And then for the next corner, the upper right corner, I'm going to select the inverse method. And you can again just use one of the preferred methods. I'm just going to move the cursor until the preview appears and then press and enter to finish the inverse fillet. And the next option requires the clearance selection. It's quite commonly used when you want the tool to reach into corners to remove the material clearance. And again, I'm not going to give an extra clearance distance. I'm just going to leave the radius and trim entities enabled and select the corner. I'm going to just select the two lines and enter. For the last one, I choose the relief. And again, I am just going to select the two lines. Press enter to finish. Before you exit the command, ensure that the method is set to normal, as this is the most commonly used settings to create a fillet. To exit the command, I'm going to select the OK button. Next, I'm going to show how you can create fillets at all four corners of the rectangle using the fillet chain command. From the Modify group, I'm selecting the drop-down arrow and select fillet chains. The wireframe chaining dialog box appears on the screen. The options in the wireframe chaining will be discussed in a different video. For now, make sure that selection method is set to chain, so the chain button is enabled. And with the chain button, you can select one entity and the entire rectangle will be automatically selected. So you just need to click on one entity of the rectangle and you can see the entire rectangle is selected. OK button to continue. Fillets will be automatically inserted to the corners with the default radius. As shown before, you have different methods available for creating fillets using the fillet chains command: inverse, circle, clearance. So we'll just leave the method to normal. We'll change the radius to 0.375, 3/8, and trim entities should be enabled. OK to finish the command. This concludes the video on how to create fillets using the fillet entities and the fillet chain commands.